Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial related to PHP. I'm gonna create a very simple program to say hello world in PHP, in which I'm gonna turn on my exam server, and then I'll be creating a new file, new project, which will be a test project, and in that test project I'll give a code for hello world. It's a very simple one, so it's just a beginning for the course, and for the details I'm gonna create tutorials for different languages, and also I'm gonna share my knowledge step by step in uh, like different languages, and also in different ways, so that you guys can understand programming. I might be adding a couple of problematic solutions related to programming that will help you guys to learn and understand. Okay, so I have already installed my XAMPP server. Let me also let you know how you can download XAMPP. So you have to search XAMPP in Google Chrome or any browser that you're using. Go to XAMPP website or click on download here. So in downloads you will be seeing Windows, Linux, and OS X. So I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna show you Windows operating system download. Once it is loaded, it will start downloading the XAMPP server. So I already contain XAMPP server downloaded in my computer, so I'm not downloading it as of yet. So you guys can download it from here. If you need further help, you can let me know in comments. I will be sharing the information furthermore. Also, you can download Visual Studio Code, VS Code, or if you want to download like any other uh, IDE to do your coding, you can download anyone. That's for example, Visual Code, Sublime Text. There are lots of others like PHP Storm, many others available that you can download. So here you go for Visual Studio Code. If you click on Windows, you can start your downloading from here and so on. Okay, so I already contain all these softwares, so I'm not gonna download those. But yes, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna start my exam server, and then I'm gonna create a new file, which is known as a new project, and add a new file there, so that you can understand how we can run or echo out or print out our first program in PHP. So I'm going to my C drive and XAMPP2. This is the folder that I have my XAMPP server which is working. I'm gonna XAMPP control.exe once it is run. Once it is running, you will see multiple options. Okay, so for me, I'm running Apache and MySQL. I don't need to run FileZilla, Mercury, or Tomcat. I just need to run Apache and MySQL. So it is already running. So if I try to hit localhost, you will see some results. Okay, I'm gonna create new folder. You can see on the browser it is showing XAMPP server version information. Okay, I'm gonna go to my C drive, and I'm gonna go on XAMPP2. Now I'm gonna reach htdocs. Htdocs is the folder which contains all your projects. So if I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna create new folder, give it a name of a project, project 1. Okay, so this is the name of my project. I'm gonna save the folder with this name, which will be known as my website. And if I try to reach localhost slash project1 and hit enter, I will see nothing because I have not yet created any file there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my VS Code and bear me for the speed. Okay, so this is known as VS Code. It's just loading its environment. Okay, I'm gonna create new. I'm gonna go to files first. I'm gonna open folder from here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to drives C again and select XAMPP2, go back to htdocs and select project1 folder, which will give us folder of my website. Select the folder and now I can create new file there. So it's gonna load the environment onto that specific folder. Please bear me for the speed. I'm sure I'll be able to do something for the speed of my computer sooner. So, okay, first, okay, so I am in the folder. I'm gonna hit Control Ctrl plus N to create new file, which will let me create a new file in the same existing folder. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna save the file in the same folder. You can see project1. I'm gonna give a name of the file is index.php. Okay, so index.php is the file which is the default file which runs at first in any PHP program. We can set in some other files as a default file as well. It is not necessary that index.php is the only file that will be running as a default file, but we can also change the default file. I will guide you about that in future, so not to worry about that now. It is creating a new file. Once the file is creating, we will be able to start our code. Okay, so PHP syntax, I have started writing the PHP syntax. You can see this is the PHP syntax. We have to start the PHP and we have to end the PHP like this. So this the code within this within the middle of let me rewrite the code. This is the beginning of PHP and this is the end of the PHP. So if I go to another line and type a code inside it, this will be known as the PHP code. So what I'm gonna do is to print anything in PHP we use echo, and we can add anything in between these two columns like hello world, which will help us in printing the PHP. There are other ways to print in PHP which are known as print underscore r, and within the brackets we can write anything. This piece of code is used to print array types of data. So we are not going to use it right now, but yes, in future we'll be using this, and you will be understanding what is the purpose of using echo and the purpose of using print or print, whatever. Okay, I've written the code, added and created a new file, and I'm gonna rerun the same folder in the browser, then you will see the new results here. Okay, now you can see hello world here. So this was the first first lecture that I was gonna present. So bear me with my English and bear me with my speed, obviously. So this is just a beginning. Hopefully, I'm gonna get and become more advanced and everything, and will be able to deliver more in future. Thank you. Bye bye.